In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a ClickUp CRM. We're going to set up a simple CRM structure inside ClickUp so you can organize leads, contacts, accounts and deals in one place. This approach is practical, easy to maintain, and gives you a clear foundation you can build on as your sales process grows. First, log into ClickUp and open the workspace where you want to build your CRM. Make sure you're working in the correct workspace from the start, because this is where all of your CRM information will live. Once you're inside the workspace, create a new space and name it CRM. Using a dedicated space for CRM work is recommended because it keeps your sales-related information separate from other projects and makes navigation much easier. Inside that CRM space, create a list called leads. In this list, each task will represent a lead you want to track. This gives you a straightforward way to manage incoming opportunities and see where each potential customer stands. Next, create another list named contacts. Here, each task should represent a contact you want to manage. This is useful for keeping track of individual people you communicate with, separate from the leads themselves. After that, create a third list called accounts. Use this list to organize information about your customers and prospects at the company level. This helps you keep a clear view of the organizations you're working with, not just the individual contacts. Now create one more list named deals. In this list, each task should represent a deal you are actively tracking. This is where you can monitor revenue opportunities and follow progress through your pipeline. With the basic structure in place, open your leads list and add custom fields for the CRM information you need to track. Useful examples include email, phone, company name, lead source, and deal amount. These fields make your CRM much more functional by allowing you to store important sales details directly inside each task. Next, set up statuses for your leads list. Use stages like new lead, attempt to engage, engaged, and qualified. These statuses help you track movement through the sales process and make it easier to understand what action needs to happen next. To make your workflow more visual, open either your leads list or your deals list, click View, and choose Board. The board view lets you see items grouped by status, and you can move them from one stage to another as they progress. Finally, review your CRM setup. With your leads, contacts, accounts, and deals lists in place, you now have one centralized system for managing customer information and sales activity inside ClickUp. Thanks for watching.